Hey, this is Rochelle, your microbiology study strategist. I make it my mission to help you understand, retain, and remember microbiology so that you can do well on your exams. I mean, that's the goal, right? Well, in this video, we're studying the carbon cycle. Now, if you want the notes to this video, then click the link in the description box. If you want more notes, then stay tuned. Check your inbox, and I will send you notifications of when I post more notes for the environmental microbiology chapter. All right, on to carbon cycle. And don't forget to like this video, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that bell so that you'll be notified of more videos that I will be uploading for you. The carbon cycle. All organisms have large amounts of carbon in the form of organic compounds. I know that you are familiar with cellulose, starches, fats, proteins. Well, they are organic compounds. We see these compounds in plants, animals, and microbes. Now let's start the carbon cycle with what's in our atmosphere. In our atmosphere, we have carbon dioxide. Guess where trees get their carbon from? Their carbon derives from 0.03% of carbon dioxide in our atmosphere. So let's begin with our carbon cycle. The first step is carbon dioxide is in our atmosphere. Next, we're going to move on down to photosynthetic fixation. Photoautotrophs incorporate carbon dioxide into organic matter by using energy from the sun. Moving over to our animal, don't laugh at my cow, don't laugh at my picture. So we have animal respiration. The animal takes in air and releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Carbon can also be excreted or given up through death, decomposition. From animal to plant, we have consumption or fixation. Chemoheterotrophs, such as animals and protozoa, consume autotrophs, which are plants, algae, plankton, and photosynthetic bacteria. Now, on ground level in the soil, there is decomposition. This process oxidizes the carbon that was stored in the matter into the atmosphere in the form of carbon dioxide, where other organisms are able to take it up. Carbon is stored in rocks like limestone and fossil fuels such as coal and petroleum. When fossil fuels are burned, carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere. Too much atmospheric carbon dioxide may be the cause of global warming. It's time to answer some questions. You can put your answers in the comments below. I'll be down there checking your answers to make sure that you have gotten them right. So, question number 1, chemoheterotrophs. They consume which type of troph? Question number 2, what is photosynthetic fixation? Question 3, what is the name of the process that oxidizes carbon and releases it into the atmosphere? Question 4, what happens when there is too much atmospheric carbon dioxide in the atmosphere? And 5, explain animal fixation. Question number 2, what is So in today's video, we're covering the carbon cycle. I was about to say the Krebs cycle. The carbon cycle from the environmental microbiology. This chapter